What if I told you that Tesla's entry into India has been backed by PM Modi and this could change the entire investment game? Stay tuned because this is very big. More than just a car company, Tesla is a revolution. Founded in 2003, it redefined mobility with high performance EVs like Model S, 3, X, Y, Cybertruck, and Roadster. Under Elon Musk, Tesla didn't just build cars, it built a vision. With autopilot, full self driving, and gigafactories across the globe, it is pushing boundaries in automation and clean energy. From Powerwall to Megawatt, Tesla's innovation go beyond roads, reshaping how we power the world. Driven by a single mission to accelerate the future of sustainability energy, Tesla isn't following a just trend, it is creating them. On Feb 13, 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Elon Musk, who also heads Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE) in Donald Trump's administration. Welcome PM Modi at Blair House, US, reinforcing India's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and advanced technology. PM Modi's strong leadership and proactive policies have positioned India as a global hub for EVs and clean energy, encouraging Tesla to invest in India. Musk, impressed by Modi's vision, confirmed Tesla's plan to enter India, including setting up a manufacturing plant, expanding the EV charging network, and contributing to solar energy's project. By end of this video, you will exactly know what Tesla's entry means for Indian consumer and investor. On March 1st, 2025, the much anticipated news dropped. Tesla is officially entering India. After years of speculations, Elon Musk as a EV giant is making its move and the excitement is electric. Tesla has logged in showroom locations in New Delhi and Mumbai with its first batch of EV set to arrive in the coming months. But here are the game changers. The Indian government has slashed import duties on premium EVs from 110% to just 15%, making Tesla's expansion smoother than ever. With this, the estimated price of Tesla Model 3 in India is now accepted to be 30 to 40 lakhs, including road tax and insurance. And that's not all. Tesla isn't just bringing cars, it's bringing big investment. The company is exploring a 2 to 3 billion investment to set up a manufacturing plant with a whopping 5 lakh vehicle production capacity per year. This means local production, job creation, and massive boost for Indian EV ecosystem. With government support, revised policies, and growing EV market, India is about to witness a sustainable revolution like never before. Bulk up. Tesla is here to transform the future of mobility. India presents a massive opportunity for Tesla, making it the key market for expansion. As the third largest car market in the world, India is witnessing a rapid shift towards electric mobility, with the EV segment expected to grow at an impressive 49% CAGR. The Indian government's strong support, including reduced import duties from 110% to 15%, FAME to subsidize, and incentives for local manufacturing, making Tesla's entry more feasible and financially attractive. Tesla also enjoys a strong brand appeal, especially among India's tech-savvy and high-income consumers who value innovation, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. Unlike the mass market EV segment dominated by Tata, Mahindra, and MG, the premium EV space remains largely untapped, giving Tesla a first-mover advantage against luxury rivals like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. Additionally, Tesla plans to invest 2 to 3 billion dollars in Indian gigafactory, could bring significant benefits, including cost reduction, local job creation, and positioning India as a global EV export hub for Southeast Asia and Middle East. Beyond cars, India's booming renewable energy sector aligns perfectly with Tesla's solar and battery storage solution, offering additional growth avenues. With strong demand and favorable policies, growing clean energy ecosystem, India could become one of the Tesla's most significant international market. Tesla's entry into India is filled with excitement, but it won't be smooth ride. Price sensitivity is the major hurdle, as most Indian buyers prefer budget-friendly cars under Rs 15 lakhs, while the Tesla Model 3 is expected to cost 35 to 40 lakhs. Competing with Mercedes, BMW, and Audi in the luxury segment make mass adoption even more challenging. Setting up 2 to 3 billion dollars gigafactory in India could help lower costs, but the process involves land acquisition hurdles, local supply chain limitation, and government approvals, all of which could slow down Tesla's growth in India, while Tata, Mahindra, and MG continue dominating the market. Infrastructure is another major challenge. as Indian EV charging network is still developing, especially outside major cities. Without a strong supercharge network, Tesla owner might struggle with range anxiety, giving an edge to local EV brands that already have a foothold in the market. Moreover, the government future regulatory challenges could also impact Tesla's long-term pricing and profitability. Beyond cars, Tesla's solar and battery storage business could align well with India's push for renewable energy. But integrating this solution into the market comes with regulatory and infrastructural hurdles. To succeed, Tesla must localize production, aggressively expanding charging stations, reduce cost, and build strong relationship with local partners. The potential is enormous, but the road ahead is filled with challenges. Will Tesla accelerate towards success or hit a roadblock? Time is the answer to all the questions. We have to wait and see whether Tesla dominates India's automobile sector or it will just end up being another ordinary player. But at a time when foreign institutional investors are pulling out, Tesla's bold entry into India sends a powerful message. India is too big to ignore. A global giant like Tesla investing in India showcases the country's massive growth and demand and could act as a magnet for more foreign investments, making sentiment bullish among FIIs. The credit also goes to PM Modi's pro-business policies. India is becoming a hotspot for global investors, backed by booming population, rising disposable income, and cost-effective labor. With the world's biggest company betting on India, the country's growth trajectory looks unstoppable. Could Tesla be the spark that reshapes India's investment landscape? The answer might be closer than we think. What are your thoughts? Tesla's move, and will this bring more foreign investment into India? Drop your comments below and don't forget to share the video.